Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs. Happy New Year, and maybe I should say Happy Valentine's Day. That's our next holiday. It's one of my favorite holidays to make treats for. If you have kids, it's so fun to send them to school, to their teachers, to their friends. I also like to give them to neighbors, co-workers, family members. It's just a fun time of the year to send little treats. My class has 5 treat boxes and 2 cards. So I know some of you like to send Valentine cards too. It's a really great opportunity to put a card in the mail. This is a class to go, which means I mail it to you. Everything in the kit comes with everything that you need to make all 7 projects. You will need the adhesive and ink, as well as the stamps and dies. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about what the projects are. There are 5 3D projects that will hold candy and treats. These 2 feature our new sweet little boxes. They are just assemble. You just assemble the box. They're very easy. And then 3 are handmade with our cardstock. And then you have the 2 cards. It comes with a step-by-step PDF with lots of color photos in it. And it is pretty easy. They're pretty easy to put together. Now, there are several options for you. Option 1 is for those of you that don't have the bundle yet. This is the bundle that we're using. It's called Sweet Conversations. It's very cute. It looks like the little conversation candies, you know, that you can get at the grocery store. So option 1 includes the stamps and dies. All 7 projects, of course, that PDF I talked about. You're also going to get a bolt of this new faux linen ribbon and a full pack of iridescent rhinestones. When you buy option 1, you're actually getting the bolt of ribbon for free. Now, option 2 is for those of you that already have the bundle. You don't need it. You don't want me to send it to you, but you do want the kit. Option 2 will include all 7 make and takes, that PDF, a full bolt of ribbon, and a full pack of the rhinestones. You'll have extras of these left over to make more projects if you want. Now, option 1 with a bundle is $72. Option 2 without the bundle is $41. Those 2 both ship priority mail in a flat rate envelope for $8. So if you live local, we can arrange porch pickup. If not, it's an additional $8 for that shipping. Now, option 3 is for those of you that don't want me to mail you anything. You just want the tutorial, the PDF tutorial. It will have the same tutorial that I'm sending everybody who buys the class kit. It'll have all 7 projects. It's available in my PDF store right away, and it's $15. That's an immediate download as soon as you purchase it. It will be emailed to you from the website. If it doesn't show up, check your spam folder, and if it's not there, then email me and I will have it resent to you. And then option 4 is for my team. They get the whole kit for just $25. It's a perk of joining my team. They always get to take advantage of my class kits at a very low cost. They also get all the PDFs for free. Okay, so that is it. There are 4 options, like I said. The deadline, it's a hard deadline because we've got to get these to you with plenty of time to make them for Valentine's Day, is January 18th. I will cut, pack, and ship all of them the following week, no later than January 25th. You should have it no later than the 1st of February. I can't list the registration link on social media or on my blog per Stampin' Up! Rules. I can send it in email, so please send me an email and I will email you the link to register. Or if you're already on my email list, look back in my last email. It's already in there for you. All right, everybody, let me know if you have questions and let me know if you want the registration link. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.